There's another falsification test. Many are there. It's mentioned in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 94 and 95. There was a group of Jews who were having a confrontation with the Muslims. And they say that the last home with Allah is only for us. So Allah says in Surah Baqarah, chapter 2, verse 94 and 95, that if they say the last home with Allah is only for them, so ask them to call for death. If you say that surely the last home with Allah, Akhirat, is for you, then call for death. And the verse continues, they will never call for death. Never. Only thing these Jews had to do to prove the Quran wrong was say, I want to die. So easy. Not that they had to die. Not that they had to commit suicide. Not that they had to stab themselves. Only thing they had to say is, I want to die. So easy. To prove the Quran wrong, you want to say, I want to die. 4 words, Quran will be proved wrong. Allah continues in Surah Baqarah, chapter 2, verse 95 and 96. They will never call for death, even if 1,000 years was given to them. So easy. So easy to prove the Quran wrong.